Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best standing desks for gaming. Number 1. ErGear Electric Standing. Transform your workspace with a cutting-edge electric standing desk designed for stability, convenience, and health. Built with a robust solid steel frame and aerospace-grade lifting column connectors, this desk remains rock-solid even after rigorous testing of 100,000 cycles, ensuring unwavering support at any height. Its advanced motor system delivers smooth, effortless height adjustments from 28.35 inch to 46.46, letting you customize your ideal working position. For added ease, you can save your 3 favorite height settings and switch between them seamlessly. The powerful motor has been tested for 50,000 cycles, guaranteeing reliable, long-term performance for years to come. Prioritizing safety and environmental standards, this desk is made with low VOC materials, significantly reducing formaldehyde and other harmful emissions to meet stringent US federal and state air quality regulations. Simplified assembly makes setting up the desk quick and hassle-free. With fewer components and minimal lifting required, you can focus on elevating your productivity rather than struggling with complex instructions. Whether you're tackling tasks at full height or working comfortably seated, this desk offers a dependable, ergonomic foundation that adapts to your needs, fostering a healthier and more efficient work environment. Number 2. ErGear Standing Desk. Elevate your workspace with an electric standing desk engineered for superior stability, smooth operation, and long-lasting performance. Crafted with a durable solid steel frame and aerospace-grade lifting column connectors, this desk remains remarkably stable even after 100,000 rigorous tests, providing a reliable foundation for work at any height. The height range, adjustable from 28.35 inch to 46.46, allows for seamless transitions between sitting and standing. With the ability to save your 3 favorite height settings, switching positions becomes effortless and efficient. The powerful motor ensures smooth and consistent performance, even after 50,000 cycles, making it a dependable choice for daily use. Designed with health and safety in mind, the desk uses low VOC materials to significantly reduce emissions of formaldehyde and other harmful substances, meeting strict US air quality standards. Simplified assembly is a standout feature, with an easy setup process that requires fewer steps and less lifting, allowing you to focus on creating a productive and ergonomic workspace. Whether you're working on intensive projects or simply seeking a healthier work posture, this desk offers the perfect combination of durability, functionality, and convenience to adapt to your evolving needs. Number 3. FLEXISPOT Standing Desk. Enhance your workspace with a sleek and functional desk designed to meet your needs for style, comfort, and durability. Featuring a spacious, seamless one-piece desktop, this desk offers a smooth, uninterrupted surface that is both visually appealing and structurally superior to spliced alternatives. Its solid design ensures enhanced stability and long-lasting performance. Effortlessly adjust the desk's height from 28.9 inch to 46.5 with the electric lift system, which operates quietly at under 50 dB to maintain a peaceful work environment. The addition of 4 programmable memory presets allows you to save and switch between your preferred heights with ease, promoting better posture and reducing the risks of prolonged sitting, such as back and neck pain. Built with an industrial-grade steel frame, this desk provides exceptional stability and can support up to 154 pounds, making it ideal for a wide range of work essentials. Assembly is made simple with included tools, clear instructions, and access to a detailed video guide. For added convenience, reliable technical support is available to assist with any questions during setup and use. This desk combines practicality, durability, and ergonomic design to create a workspace that truly supports your productivity and well-being. Number 4. Claiks Adjustable Height. Elevate your home office setup with a desk designed for comfort, durability, and convenience. Engineered after years of refinement, this standing desk provides a reliable solution for creating a healthier and more productive workspace. With a weight capacity of up to 176 pounds, it offers the strength and support needed for all your essential equipment while maintaining an ergonomic design. The electric height adjustment system allows you to easily transition between sitting and standing positions. With 3 programmable preset buttons, you can customize and save your preferred height settings, ranging from 28.3 inch to 46.5, to suit your workflow and posture needs. The spacious 48-inch by 24-inch desktop provides ample room for a dual monitor setup, documents, and other office essentials, ensuring an ergonomic workspace that supports focus and efficiency. Constructed with an industrial-grade steel frame, this desk delivers outstanding stability and durability to handle daily use with ease. Assembly is straightforward with a detailed manual, video guide, embedded screw hole locations, and included L-shaped tools, ensuring a quick and hassle-free setup. Whether you're working on creative projects or managing a busy schedule, this desk is built to adapt to your lifestyle and promote better work habits. Number 5. Furmax Adjustable Standing. Transform your workspace into a healthier and more efficient environment with a desk designed to promote movement and reduce strain. Long hours of sitting can lead to back and neck discomfort, but this standing desk allows you to alternate between sitting and standing, relieving fatigue and improving focus. The seamless height adjustment empowers you to create an ergonomic setup tailored to your needs. Equipped with a memory electric lift system, this desk makes height adjustments effortless. With the touch of a button, you can quickly and accurately switch to your preferred settings using the memory keys. The motor system includes essential safety features like a safety lock, anti-collision detection, and overheat protection for worry-free use. The spacious 55-inch by 24-inch wood desktop, designed with rounded corners and a cable management hole, provides ample space for your office essentials while maintaining a stylish, modern look. Although the desktop comes in 2 sections, its high-quality finish ensures a seamless and durable surface. Supported by sturdy steel legs with a T-shaped base, this desk offers excellent stability even at its maximum height of 46.4 inch. The quiet, durable motor operates at less than 50 dB, ensuring a smooth and peaceful adjustment experience every time. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.